politician, cricketer, and a father. Hello, everybody. This is Miss Sarah. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. And today we're gonna talk about Imran Khan. Yes, a legend and a great personality. So today we're gonna talk about him and let's see what he have done. Imran Khan Niazi is a Pakistani politician leading Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI). Before jumping into some governmental issues, he played cricket for 20 precious years of his life. That 20 years were the best years of his life. I think so. So he first started playing cricket at the age of 13 and in his school basically, and then before jumping into some cricket clubs. At the age of 18, he introduced himself to Pakistan's cricket team and made a momentous history. After completing his studies, he became a member of Pakistan's national cricket team. So he joined in 1976 and played till 1992. And he was a great leader. As most of you guys know, he was the captain of Pakistan's cricket team basically at that time. So basically, he made Pakistan in great success and won the 1992 World Cup. The Cricket World Cup basically, and it was the Pakistan's one and only victory in that series, and he left a momentous history. Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi resigned from cricket in the year of 1992 as the Pakistan's most prosperous cricketers. He finished 387 runs and he took 362 wickets in test series, in cricket test basically, and he was in the top 8 from the world to be labeled all-rounders triple. And that is a thing that many people wanted to be, and Imran Khan was in the top 8. In 1991, Imran Khan established a fundraising movement in commemoration of his mother, and he literally elevated $25 million for the first hospital to be built in Lahore. So the thing is, he later built some more hospitals, and another hospital I remember he built in Peshawar was in 2015. So the thing is that he resigned from cricket in 1992, 1993, 4, 5, 6, in 1996. 4 years later, it was a whole different man. He established a party called Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI), a moderate political party, and turned out to be a spearhead of that party. Imran Khan challenged for a seat in National Assembly in 2002 basically as an opposition participant. Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi was born on 5th of October 1952, and he was the only son of his parents. He was born to a Pakhtun family, and his father was Ikramullah Khan, who was a civil engineer. His mother was Shaukat Khanum. Well, yeah, now you can guess where the Shaukat Khanum Hospital came from. Yeah, his mother background was of cricketers, so that's why he was influenced by some of his cousins, so he got into Pakistan's cricket team. For some time, they were settled in Mianwali, northern West Punjab. So the thing is that his family was quite wealthy, so he acquired this advantage on schooling. He studied in Royal Grammar School, Worcester in England, and was proficient in cricket in that. So the thing is that he studied philosophy, politics, and economics. Yes guys, I was talking about Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi, a 68 years old politician, the current and 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan. He worked so hard to achieve this position, and he literally deserved it, and he worked his life and he just gave up his life for this position. I really like this quote from Imran Khan that never give up. No matter how hard your life gets, no matter how much pain you feel, pain will eventually subside and nothing remains forever. So keep going and don't give up. Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi received his first vaccination for COVID-19 a few days ago, and now he is self-isolating at home. Yes, he got tested positive for COVID-19. The thing we all can do is to pray for him and give him best wishes to come back and just say that I am okay. I know he will never give up, and he is a great Pakistani leader, and he know that pain will eventually subside and he will never give up. Everybody, I hope you learned something new from this video and you learned about Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi, the current Prime Minister of Pakistan. He worked so hard and he literally deserved the position he have now. So I hope you learned something new and enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below your favorite fact about him, and Adis amigos, I'm out.